All right, guys, it's been a while that I shot a video, but we are working on it. It does still look the same, but that's just because you can't show the process of electrical. We got everything figured out, jumped out as required for this machine. The only thing that we're missing is, and we're going back to the factory on this one, they should be emailing us hopefully by tomorrow. They had to double check the serial number for the control, but we're trying to load in the stroke distance between each axis so we could load that in, so then we could set our home position, and then we could show you everything with turning and whatnot, minus the fact of, you know, the chucks that you guys know about. But we're just waiting for that last little component to do that. We had Fanuc, I'm gonna come around the side. I had Fanuc out here to look at another machine, and he saw this machine, he's like, he gave us a hand. So we replaced all the fans and everything else on all the drives, just because you have to. We didn't want to touch the drives while we weren't running the machine, just in case, you know, whatever that happened. So replaced all the fans. He did say that these had lower resistance, and this is the cabling on 4 motors. So what I did is I bought all new cabling, and we're going to be putting that in tomorrow. They still work, they still function properly and everything else. He goes, you know, when you check the resistance, he goes, it's in tolerance, but it's on the lower end of the tolerance. So think of it yourself as, you know, let's say you got a lower tire pressure on your vehicle. And I was like, well, if I have that problem, even though it's not an issue technically that you're gonna cause fault, I got the machine open. We're just gonna put all new wire in here to make sure that's all right. He did check everything else. I got jumpers all over the place. I don't want to touch them too much, but all inside of here and then here as well. And then there's some on the outside of the machine. There was a wire that was spliced together that we're going to replace a whole new wire. I forget which one that went to. It was something in the headstock. I believe it was for the tool arm or something like that to activate it. So we're going to also change that out. Going back over to the front of the machine. I'm trying to think what else was an issue at all. Nothing as of right now, but everything powers on. It's functioning now. This thing had a long list of alarms. You know, you just got to go through them one by one. And yeah, but once I get the procedure from Methods, we're going to get this thing going. I'm also scheduling a service call with them as well because, hey, might as well have them come out here and move the machine around while everything's exposed, and then putting the covers on. So the covers were re-washed again. They're down on the dock as well. So they're ready to go on. But if we could leave it like this as long as we can, that'd be great. To show you that one wiper that we thought we were missing and everything else. So we made this new piece that goes on the back plate. And then there's another wiper over here. Looks like we got a little excited with grease over here. But yeah, that's all covered up now. So we're all good there. I thought that was an issue before, but that's just because I didn't realize we didn't have all the parts in front of us. So there's no issue there, but you know, the wipers are all on, but we got to put all the weight covers and everything else on too. So this is where we're at with it. You know, if anything comes up, I'll definitely let you know. Sorry. But once we get the stroke, then we put the home position in, then we could actually shoot the video of us showing you where everything's at. And when we do the video, I'm going to have my guy in here doing it, so it's going to be a little bit louder. Probably have to give him a microphone or something like that, but then we could actually show it because we're just kind of chipping away at this thing. Sorry it's taking a little bit longer. It's just electrical sucks, so I don't know how else to say it, but yeah, it's everything is going good. But give me a call if you have any questions, or if you have any insight on that. I know we already talked to Tracy. He's really knowledgeable, but he didn't have that procedure, and we're just looking to enter that in the system so we can go axis by axis, knock that out, and then we'll be good to go. So talk to you guys later. Thank you.